Hello everyone. In the last video, I showed you how to download the DVD rental database from this link right here, and then we uploaded or restored it onto our Postgres server. If you have not watched my previous videos, I will encourage you to pause this one right now and go and watch those videos. And this is because this current video is a part of a series of videos I am creating for you to master your SQL skills. Please go to the description below for links to those videos. Then after you have downloaded and installed those things I've explained in the videos, then you can come back to this particular video. I will also be sharing the link, this link right here, in the description. Okay, but for today I would like to give you an overview of the DVD rental database that we had uploaded previously to our Postgres server before we start to write queries in the next video. Okay, so one thing you need to know is that a database will contain several tables that are related to each other. Take note, it's going to contain several tables that are related to each other. So in this DVD rental database that we have right here, we have 15 tables that are related to each other. Okay, if we count them right now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. As you can see, we have 15 tables that are related to each other. These tables represent several information that are related to our DVD rental business. Okay, now the way they are related right now, I'm going to be explaining that to you in the next couple of videos when I start teaching you how to join two or more tables together. But for now, all you just need to understand is just get some overview, some understanding about this database. What are the tables that we can find in this database? As you can see, if you read through this, it tells you the different tables that we have right here. We have the actor table, the film actor category, film category store. You have 15 of them right here, and it tells you what each of them represents. Take for example this actor table, which is what you're also seeing right here. It stores actors data including their first name and their last name. Okay, so if you look at this actor table right here, it shows you the actor ID. Let me make it bigger. Okay, it shows you the actor ID, the first name, the last name, and the last update. Okay, as a matter of fact, let's come back right here. We can also download that entity relation diagram from here. Let us click that. Yeah, so I think here we'll be able to see it very well. So if I make this bigger as well, you can see the actor table as actor ID, first name, last update. So these are the attributes or the columns that you have in this actor table. Okay, one thing you need to note is that a table will have rows and columns. I'm going to be showing you that briefly very soon using pgAdmin, which we had downloaded previously. But one thing you should know is that each table will have its own, will have rows and columns. Okay, now if you look at our DVD rental database, it has information concerning our customers. Take for example, this is our customer table, which has the first name, the last name, the email, and some other things. It has the address. This is an address table also for our customers. What city do we have our customers? What country are our customers? And then if you now look at, we have some other things that has to do with inventory. We have the inventory table, which also relate to the film table. Film relate to film category, and this one and this category table as well. All these are part of the inventory. Okay, we have a table that is called a payment table also. If you look at this, you have the payment ID, you have the customer ID, that this is the staff ID. It's going to be the ID of the staff that attended to the customer. You have the rental ID, so that means that is the ID of the item that was rented. You have the amount, the payment date, the date that the payment was made. Okay, so these are the different kinds of stuff that are going to be seen in your tables. Okay, So you take, for example, you have this one, film actor. It has 3 columns. Okay, actor ID, film ID, last update. Let us open up pgAdmin and let us, just have a look. If I come to my Windows right here, I can click on pgAdmin. This is opening on my other screen. Let me drag it right here. Okay. Okay, let me drag it right here. Now it's asking for my password. I'm gonna put my password. Remember that I already showed you how to download and install this. I'm using Postgres 15. It's asking me for my password again. Okay, remember that we add this. Now if I go to databases, I can go to DVD rental, which I had already uploaded. Go to schemas, then go to tables. You remember we just mentioned right there that we have 15 tables. Okay, now as part of this, let's look at the actor table. Okay, so I can right click on this actor. Just right click and just go to query tools. You could also right click on columns. That's fine. All you just need to do is go to query tool. When I click on that, now what I want to show you is, remember I told you that each table has rows and columns, just like the way you have it in Excel. Take note. So I can write some statement right there. Right now, don't worry about the meaning of this statement. In the next video, I'm going to start explaining to you the different statements that we use in SQL. But right now, I just wanted to show you the way this data is being represented in rows and in columns. Okay, so let's assume we want to pull data from the actors table. So I can say select star from, I can say actor, or I can type actor, or I can put my cursor on this actor and then just drag it to this place. Okay, you see when I dragged it, it just said public.actor. All these things I'm going to be explaining to you later. Okay, so if I click this, execute, when I execute, you see that it gives me data, it gives me rows. It says 200 of 200. That means that the total rows I have here, I have 200 rows. And remember, if I come back to this place, for actor, we have how many columns? Actor ID, first name, last update. That is 4 columns. Okay, so in that case, how many columns I have here? Actor ID, first name, last update. You see, I have 4 columns. This particular column right here, this is just a numbering of the number of rows. This is not part of the column for the table we are talking about. It's just helping us to number our rows, telling us that we have 200 rows. Okay, but one thing you need to know is that each column, actor ID, first name, last name, each column of a particular table represent an attribute related to the table. Take note, it represents an attribute related to the table. So in this case, these columns that we have right here represent attribute related to the actor table. So this is the actor ID, first name, last update. Okay, so it represents the attribute that is related to this actor table. Then if you are talking about each row like this is now representing a record for each of those actors. So take for example, this first row is 1 record, and this is for an actor that has an actor ID 1, and the name is Penelope Guinness. The last update on this table was on 2013 May 26, and at this time that was the last update. That was the last time there was an update on this particular table. This second row is another record for Nick Wahlberg. This is the third row. This third row for this actor ID 3 is another record. Take note, each row is each record. Okay, and then the column represents the attribute of that table. Okay, I hope you guys understand this now. Very good. So in the next couple of videos, I will start introducing you guys to the different SQL statements. All right, Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.